salt. You have salt.
Pho. This is their famous pho. Para sa atin, batsoy ah. And, bismillah. Hey guys, ang lamig dito.
Xin chào.
Oh.
Xin chào bà Hào tất cả đi.
Oh. Yan.
Ni hao.
Para kami nagbe-vape dito.
Ni hao. Asa pa mahal. Ni hao.
Sa kanila daw for 2 days na daw to. Sa atin, oras lang. Tapos di pa kompleto yung orders natin.
Hindi pa rin.
Oh my God.
Ada kita mani lumpay.
Sarap bro.
Oh, so may point tayo.
Yeah, got the video with the 500.
Wow. 1,500,000.
1,600,000. Oh, I have a change.
Give the change. Sir, thank you so much. Morning guys. We are currently here at Davao International Airport. So, delayed na kami ng 1 hour. Landed at Mactan. And we will go through the immigration process as we are about to be interviewed. Going to Vietnam. Yung mga kasama namin. What I like about here at Mactan Cebu International Airport is you get to see the process of unloading your baggages. And finally, we are inside Terminal 2 at Mactan Cebu International Airport. Hi, Bobby! Pagod na. Ito muna yung montage ng Mactan Cebu International Airport. Ang ganda. Ayun guys, so soon we will be seeing the Hanoi Sapa. And kasama kong aking asawa na napapagod na. Babs, are you okay? Pang nag-aantay ako dito sa mga kasama ko na andyan sa sa business class ng Vietnam Airlines. Ako dito, bibigyan ko kayo ng POV ng one of the most top-notch na airport. At ito 'yon.
Dok. Upgrade ka pala, Dok.
Oo, para mas mabilis and comfortable tayo. So guys, at last we just passed the immigration interview. Ayan. Update natin ngayon.
100 guys.
I told you. Sabi sa'yo eh.
Na may refill lang.
So, we saw this sign prayer room. Ayan, pupunta kami ng prayer room guys. Alhamdulillah, we just passed the interview of immigration officer. And alhamdulillah, hindi naman ganun ka mahigpit yung question nila. Ayan. Ngayon, pupunta kami ng prayer room.
Ito mo.
This is universal. Multi-religion na na prayer room. Tapos this is the ablution area. Ayan. Alhamdulillah, this is the inside of the prayer room of Mactan Cebu International Airport Terminal 2. So, as you can see, outside may nakalagay na iba't ibang religion. So dito yung Christian. So dito naman yung sa Islam, andyan yung Qibla. And then iba't ibang religion ang pwede dito. Maui. Oh my God. Hello, we have just landed in
Vietnam, Hanoi, Vietnam.
We just got our luggages.
We just landed at Hanoi, Vietnam.
Yeah. So ito yung airport nila.
Kumpay kay Bob.
Yan ang airport nila.
Magaling ka mga
Yeah. Punta na kami ng sleeper bus namin and sobrang lamig ngayon ng Hanoi. Yun. Ayan. Nag-double na sila ng jacket, guys. Kasi ang lamig. Ang isa naka-short. Kala niya, ano akala mo dito? Bagyo? Pero si Bobby, okay lang? Oh, ready. Ang tagal ng bus namin papuntang Sapa. Ano yun, nag-aantay na kami. Oy, may taga-Russia dito. Pinsan ni Khabib na Magomedov. Ito na yung sleeper bus namin. For after how many hours of waiting. So ayun guys, finally nakasakay na kami ngayon sa loob ng sleeper bus namin. And I'm going to show you what's inside of our cubicle. So this is my cubicle. And this is my POV. It's foggy outside. Then I have this aircon, ventilated aircon. You can choose whether warm or cold. And then ito yung LCD ko. Pwede ko manood ng movie, kinig ng music. And then dito yung light niya. Ito. Yan, you get to control the lights inside. And then merong massage. Yan yung kagandahan niya. You press mo yan, may massage ka na. Tapos may headset. If manonood ka ng movie, ikaw na nakakarinig ng ano mo, pinapanood mo. And then Bobby, hi Bobby.
Chris, close, more privacy.
Yeah. Bobby. Grabe naman. Ganda. Yan. Ito yung loob ng sleeper bus. Kumusta ka dyan? Kain ng buntis, so alhamdulillah. Okay. So, we are here at our first stop. Yan. Dito mo matitikman yung kapatid na masarap ng Vietnamese na pho. So, bibigyan kami ng 30 minutes to rest, magbawas at kumain dito. Wow. Very famous pho. Their famous pho. Yan. Ang pagpa-prepare daw nito is talagyan ng kalamansi.
Nagbitan na kalamansi.
And then lagyan ng pepper. Parang balbakwa, no?
Murag batchoy.
Batchoy. Tapos, syempre, optional na kung lalagyan mo ng sili. Masarap, guys.
Masarap.
Masarap? Wow.
I never thought.
You never thought? Okay, moment of truth. Ban me.
Oh, natag salt. You have salt.
Pho. This is their famous pho. Para sa atin, batsoy ah. And, bismillah.
Mahay ko ba? Ito na ako suka.
Bawal eh. Pangal dito yan.
May nakabutang?
Ako ang asawa nga nagkaon og mangga. Ito yung tinatawag ng Vietnamese mango. Sarap, Babs.
Sarap gedo.
Sarap gedo. Yan guys, andito na kami sa Sapa finally, and we were fetched by our van from our hotel De La Sol, Sapa. 9 degrees Celsius.
Kagamay.
Kagamay. Mura magpulumulok. Yan. Welcome, Sapa. So ayun guys, we just arrived here at our Hotel de la Sol Sapa. Oh my god, it's so foggy here.
Hagi.
Oh. Foggy. Ayun, hi. Pasok na tayo. So this is the entrance of our hotel. Look at that, guys. Yes, sir. De La Sol Sapa Hotel. One of the 4 stars hotel here in Sapa. Yes. Ganda. Ang ganda ng hotel namin. Wow. At ngayon, tayo ay magro-room tour sa aming kwarto. So, this is our room for the rest of the days that we will be staying here. So, we have free coffee. Yan. Free coffee, tea, sugar, and then water. And then, ito yung bed namin. 2 queen size na bed. And then, may mirror dun. May TV. Tapos, ito naman yung CR namin. And I would like to commend our toilet because malaki siya. Ayan. Yan. Tapos may shower na malinis. Ayan. And 2 towel. Faucet. And then it comes with a complimentary buffet breakfast. Look at that. Nasa labas kami. Hanap na makakainan, magagalaan, tsaka jacket, buffers. Hi! Hi! Yeah. Na? So, of course, first stop namin is to buy some heat tech. Ay, luyang babiyaw. May kami ng gloves, ng jacket, ng headscarf.
I want medyas.
Look at that.
Mura din
And of course, for us to know the pricing of every store, kinahanglan mangita ta store by store. Alright? Yan. So, marami magaganda eh. Ito, Puffers North Face na siya. 350k na. Yan. 350k. Tapos, ito, nasa 300k.
Nice, no?
Oh, mura na to. Lalabas na to
Branded
na.
yun siya, oh.
Wow. Magkano yan? 300. Mga 400 plus. Tapos, ito, North Face, 420. Yan. Nasa 420, mga almost a K na. Almost 1K na in Philippine peso. Ito. Yung 400. Ito, North Face, 590. Yan guys, ang lamig dito.
Xin chào.
Oh.
Xin chào. Bà Hào có thể đi.
Oh. Yan.
Ni hao.
Para kami nagbe-vape dito.
Ni hao. Asa pa mahal. Ni hao. Manu. Oh, that's the bago.
Oh, diwa.
Kasi napalit ay dito.
Yan guys, isa yan siya sa pinakamura dito. Kung mas mura sa taas, mas mura dito sa ilalim. Yan, Dahmong Sisters. Yan. Pero, kakain muna kami. Ayan. Kasi we need to have our energy for the gala later. Yan. One of the recommended restaurants here is this, the Little Vietnam restaurant. Tayo. It's beside our Hotel de la Sol Sapa. Dito kami ngayon sa Little Vietnam restaurant. Isa to sa mga recommended restaurant. Masarap daw to. Ito yung POV from the inside. Sabi ng mga friends namin na nag-work dito, ang masarap dito is spring roll, banh mi, Peking duck, of course, the pho. Ito. Alin? Ito. In my rice.
Yun, rice, good for 2 daw.
So, sila na po, madam.
Oh, kamo na day, kamo na day.
Guys, pwede mo mag-order rin makasabos lang Bisaya. First, you
Ayun lang,
put
mga
the
anak.
mushroom.
Yeah, all the first times.
And then the tofu because it will take time to cook. It's the proper way of cooking a hot
Is it
pot.
actually it's a good thing that we know how to cook it properly since we're vloggers also in Philippines, so we can show them what's the proper
Yeah,
way.
right. You can be a teacher. Yeah.
So
Thanks a lot.
don't
You
put
now,
first.
You can open some training course, cooking,
Cooking.
okay, hot pot training.
Hot pot training.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, first you have to boil first the hot pot and then
majority of the
put
Filipinos
mushroom, tofu,
They cook.
lastly
the way
Yeah,
how
yeah,
they
beef.
see it.
yeah, everything.
All in, everything.
All in, yeah. Casino, everywhere.
thank you, sir. Thank you. At least we tried and we learned.
Yeah.
So, sabi nila dito, ito yung proper way of cooking a hot pot.
Mas mabash ka ba? Makita. Mali din.
Hindi, sabi
Tapos, ayun, natuwa yung may ala sa amin kasi napakarami daw yung orders namin. For 2 days na daw to nila. Ayun. For 2 days na daw nila. While sa amin, oras lang.
Actually, we do have a different style of cooking.
Hot pot. Sa atin kasi, nilalagay na lahat dito. Gradually, slowly, surely.
How about this?
Kaya siguro
Nasa dami namin in order. Paano yung perfect bite? From 2 days na, for 2 days na lang daw. Sa kanila daw for 2 days na daw to. Sa atin, oras lang.
So, sa kuha.
Tapos, di pa kompleto yung orders namin. Tingnan
Hindi
niyo.
na pa rin.
Oh my God.
Para kita mani lumpay.
Sarap, bro. Wow. Total, this is our bill at Little Vietnam restaurant. So far, it's one of the most delicious food we had here. And thank you so much for the food. Yeah. It's super delicious. Thank you.
Bigay bilhin niyo tanan.
Gatag na ako.
This is your bill,
Oh,
1,560,000.
so may point tayo.
Yeah, that confused it with the 500.
Wow. 1,560,000.
1,600,000. Oh, I have a change.
Give the
Sir,
change.
thank you so much. Thank you so much, Little Vietnam Restaurant. So, it's beside De La Sol Sapa Hotel. Highly recommended. We had our takeout and Bob's. So, guys, update the current temperature as of tonight is 7 degrees Celsius. And our ilong is getting lisnag.
It's so cold.
It's so cold. Ginasipon na kami. Pero, grabe, ang lamig.
Dahil kalibangan. Kalibang sa
CR na kami. May nabili na kami. Yay! Thank you so much, Bobby, for this jacket.
Couple.
Yay! Couple.
Finish.
Ayan guys, this is what 6 degrees Celsius looks like. Foggy and it's really cold. Whew. Yun. What's that, Babs? Kakanin? Yan. Look at me, guys. The way we speak, meron kaming fogs na lumalabas sa buhanga. Tapos na kami sa mga binili namin ng mga essentials tulad ng jacket, pagkain.
On the right
Bali.
corner.
Pupunta kami doon sa taas. Tingnan nyo naman.
Pre.
What, pre? Yay. Tingnan nyo naman, guys. This is the 6 degrees Celsius
Mangga ba?
situation. Yeah. Grabe. Super nice. Sabi ka bugnaw. Yan. And tonight is exactly 10 p.m. Vietnam time. Sa Pilipinas, 11 p.m. na doon. Ayun, ang hotel. Hotel doon, taas. Wow. Ang ganda. Di pa namin nalibot. Dito naman yung mga lanterns. Dito kami ngayon sa may lantern na area. Dito yung mga marami din ang picture kasi maganda yung view. Yan. And yun sila. Yan yun. Tapos, meron dito mga massage pa. Yan. Thai massage. Ay! Tama ba? Vietnamese massage pala yan. Tapos, Aeron. Ganda ng nila dito. Ng lugar dito. Ayun. Grabe ang lamig. Woo! Halos dito puro mga spa, no? Tsaka massage. Gusto ko matry yung massage na lalo yung yung signature nila na massage. No. Yan. Tapi syab na ako yan.
Oh, video na tika.
Chitin na. I love you, baby. Ana!
Tingnan nyo naman yung area, guys. Ang ganda. Wow. No? Yan. Ang ganda ng vibe dito. Yan. Inside our hotel, De La Sol, Sapa. So, yun na yung first day natin sa ating Sapa trip. And tomorrow, abangan nyo yung fancy pan trip naman namin. So, ngayon, mag-relax pa na kami at matutulog so that we will have that enough energy for tomorrow's gala. Bye-bye!